What if I told you that with a few smart moves, you could transform $10,000 into $100,000 in record time? In this video, I'm revealing 5 game-changing strategies to multiply your money quickly, even if you're starting with just a modest sum. Stick around because by the end, you'll learn a secret trick that most investors overlook, and that could fast-track your journey to financial freedom. All right, let's dive in. The first strategy is investing in high-growth, low-cost index funds, or ETFs. Sources like Vanguard and Fidelity report historical returns of 8 to 10% per year on these funds. While that might seem modest at first, reinvesting dividends and riding the market's ups and downs over several years can lead to explosive compound growth. For example, if you invest in a total stock market index fund and reinvest every dividend, that $10,000 could potentially balloon into a substantial sum over a decade. The key is consistency. Dollar-cost averaging by investing a fixed amount every month can smooth out market volatility and steadily build your portfolio. The second strategy is diving into individual high-growth stocks. Companies in emerging tech sectors like artificial intelligence, renewable energy, or biotech have the potential to double or even triple in value quickly. Look at success stories in the news, where early investors in companies like Tesla or Nvidia saw their investments skyrocket. Although picking individual stocks carries higher risk, thorough research using resources such as Yahoo Finance and Seeking Alpha can help you identify companies with strong fundamentals and exponential growth potential. Just remember, diversification is crucial to avoid putting all your eggs in one volatile basket. Next, consider a more advanced yet powerful approach: options trading using covered calls. This strategy involves holding dividend-paying stocks and then selling call options against them to generate additional income. Covered call ETFs like QYLD or JEPI blend this strategy with the benefits of dividend investing, potentially pushing your overall yield into the 8 to 12% range. While options trading may seem intimidating at first, there are plenty of beginner-friendly guides on Investopedia and The Motley Fool that break down how to get started without taking on too much risk. This method can provide an extra income stream that accelerates your journey from $10,000 to $100,000 faster than dividends alone. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting a small online business is another compelling option. In today's digital age, platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon allow you to launch an e-commerce store with minimal upfront costs. Whether you're selling custom digital products, niche physical goods, or even dropshipping items, you can turn that initial capital into a growing business. Many success stories out there prove that with the right niche, like eco-friendly products or quirky merchandise, you can see rapid growth. This method isn't completely passive at first, but once your business is automated, it becomes a scalable income source. Finally, automating your investments is the secret sauce that ties it all together. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront can take the guesswork out of investing by automatically allocating your money into a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and goals. They also reinvest dividends for you, making it easier to benefit from compound growth. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is perfect for those who want to focus on long-term wealth building without constantly monitoring the market. Let's recap the key topics we covered. First, we explored high-growth index funds and ETFs as a reliable, steady foundation. Second, we discussed the potential of individual high-growth stocks and the importance of diversification. Third, we delved into the extra boost provided by options trading via covered calls. Fourth, we looked at launching a small online business as an alternative route to exponential growth. And finally, we emphasized the importance of automating your investments with robo-advisors for hassle-free compounding. Now, here's your action step. Drop a comment with which strategy excites you the most, and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more money-making tips. Let's build that wealth together.